Welcome to Fieldhouse Wellness Center. We are conveniently located in the Great Valley Corporate Center. At Fieldhouse Wellness Center, it is our mission to create longer, healthier, happier lives and empower our practice members to achieve their optimal wellness and human potential. Our unique staff of healthcare professionals care for people as a team and the body as a whole. We give people a way to treat their health without the use of drugs or surgery by finding the root cause of problems. We talk with each individual to work towards their unique health goals and also encourage people to be proactive about their health care. What sets us apart from other offices is that we are the healthcare consultants for our hometown heroes, the Philadelphia Eagles, Flyers, Soul, as well as local community teams. Our vision is to bring this same level of care to our community. Our services include chiropractic, muscle soft tissue therapies, massage therapy, hypnotherapy and life coaching, Ideal Protein weight loss plans, sports medicine and orthopedics. We have a full-size gym for physical therapy and personal training. Please give us a call today.